as the inflationary burden, which has lasted for more than a year, has eased somewhat. A new negative factor, the economic recession, is now approaching. Warnings announcing a recession are sounding everywhere, including economic slowdowns in major countries such as the US and Europe, lower than expected economic recovery in China, and falling raw material prices. An economic downturn can lead to contraction in consumption and job instability, and household income is also at a standstill, making it difficult to improve people's livelihood. Recently, various scenarios are emerging regarding the U.S. economy, which is a barometer for determining the direction of the global economy. The most noteworthy of this is the rolling recession. Economists who advocate a rolling recession predict that there will not be an outright recession in which all economic indicators decline at the same time. As in the past, the tech industry is losing tens of thousands of jobs, while the leisure industry is booming and the demand for services is growing, but sales are declining. In fact, in the US economy, as each economic indicator conflicts, complex signals are flowing that neither complete recession nor soft landing, while the job market is growing and consumer spending is on the rise, manufacturing is in recession, and housing prices have plummeted. Rolling recession is a new word that combines rolling and recession. It can be translated as a sequential stagnation. This is a phenomenon in which an economic slowdown that begins in one sector gradually spreads to other sectors. The rolling recession was first used to describe the state of the US economy after the outbreak of the novel coronavirus infection. It has been observed that a slowdown in the US economy in 2023 could start in the real estate sector and lead to lower private consumption, higher corporate inventories, and low capital investment. A general economic downturn occurs when the entire economy sinks at once. Rolling recession, on the other hand, differs in that the downturn began in a part of the economy. In a rolling recession situation, even if some sectors are depressed, it is possible that only certain industries feel loss without a decrease in gross domestic product, as indicators in other sectors show weakness. During a rolling recession, economic judgment becomes inaccurate and it is difficult to establish economic forecasts or policies. Demand cocoa and other commodities is shrinking as China economic rebound, which was expected to be a vital force, is delayed while the possibility of economic contraction in the US and Europe increases. In general, recession occurs when a society's output declines. This is usually measured as a change in gross domestic product. A rolling recession, on the other hand, is a unique type of recession that does not affect the economy as a whole. For example, even if the gross domestic product does not grow negatively, the real estate, manufacturing, and business industries can each fall into recession. For this reason, when entering a rolling recession, even if the economy as a whole is not in a recession, people engaged in specific sector or industry may feel as if the economy is getting worse.